Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through adding a wire transfer payee in Wells Fargo, both domestically and internationally. This process allows you to securely send money to recipients without re-entering their information each time. Adding a payee is a crucial first step for sending wire transfers with Wells Fargo online, through the mobile app, or even at a branch. Adding domestic and international payees requires different information. For domestic payees within the U.S., you'll need the recipient's full name, bank name, routing number, and account type. International payees require additional details like the SWIFT or BIC code and, for European recipients, the IBAN. First, log into your Wells Fargo online account using your username and password. Navigate to the Pay and Transfer section in your online banking dashboard. Select Add Payee, and then choose Wire Transfer from the available options. Input the recipient's information, including full name, bank name, routing number, and account type. You may need to verify the payee with the last 4 digits of their Social Security number or via a test deposit. All payee additions undergo screening for compliance with anti-money laundering laws. Start by logging in to your Wells Fargo online banking account. Open your web browser, visit the Wells Fargo website, and enter your username and password to access your account. Next, navigate to the Pay and Transfer or Transfers section from the main menu. This is where you'll manage your wire transfers. Within the Transfers section, select Add Payee to start the process of registering a new recipient for wire transfers. Choose Wire Transfer from the available payee options to indicate you're setting up an international wire transfer recipient. Specify the country where the recipient's bank is located by selecting it from the drop-down menu, and choose the currency in which the transfer should be made. Enter the recipient's full name and the name of their bank. You'll also need to provide the SWIFT or BIC code, which is a unique identifier for the bank. This code consists of bank code, country code, location code, and branch code as shown in the diagram. If the recipient's country uses IBAN, enter this international bank account number, which includes country code, check digits, bank identifier, branch code, and account number as illustrated. Also provide any required intermediary bank details. Currency conversion is handled automatically by Wells Fargo, with the system applying competitive exchange rates. As shown in this flowchart, the process checks for exchange dates, searches for rates, and performs the conversion securely. Security is paramount when adding wire transfer payees at Wells Fargo. The bank employs multiple layers of protection to safeguard your transactions. Wells Fargo mandates 2-factor authentication for all wire payee additions. This typically requires verification through biometrics or SMS to ensure only authorized users can proceed. 2-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security beyond just passwords, protecting against unauthorized access and fraud. Biometric verification uses unique physical characteristics such as fingerprints, facial recognition, or iris scans for secure authentication. Wells Fargo uses advanced AI-driven fraud detection systems that have reduced wire fraud incidents by 35%. These systems continuously monitor transactions for unusual patterns and potential threats. Remember, wire transfers are irrevocable once initiated. Always double-check all recipient information and transfer details to avoid costly mistakes. Let's compare the fees and processing times for domestic and international wire transfers at Wells Fargo. For domestic wire transfers, fees start at $30. Processing is instant through the FedNow network, which allows real-time payments within the United States. For international wire transfers, fees start at $45. Processing typically takes 24 to 48 hours using the SWIFT network, which handles global financial messaging. When adding wire transfer payees with Wells Fargo, there are some important limitations and potential troubleshooting steps to keep in mind. Wells Fargo limits each account to a maximum of 100 payees. Additionally, high-risk transfers may require verification at a branch before they can be processed. If you experience delays when adding a payee, first ensure that all the recipient information you've entered is accurate and complete. Also, verify that you've properly completed the 2-factor authentication process, which is now mandatory for all payee additions. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact Wells Fargo customer support right away for assistance. The future of wire transfers at Wells Fargo includes advanced technologies that will make transactions faster, more secure, and more cost effective. Artificial intelligence will optimize routing for predictive transfers, potentially reducing fraud by 50% by 2030, while speeding up processing times. Blockchain based settlement networks, through partnerships like those with Stellar, will enable near instant international transfers, cutting down delays significantly. By 2030, integration with central bank digital currencies could reduce fees by 25% and streamline cross border payments through competitive fintech competition.